Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below. So, this is your second visit, so can you give me a little bit update about how did you feel after the first visit, and are you still maintaining the range of motion?
Yes. So, my hand could do all kinds of things. I can use the steering wheel on the car.
Oh, wow.
I could turn the knob, the doorknob.
Mm-hmm.
I could wash my hair.
Mm-hmm.
I could do some dishes.
You could not do that before the first treatment.
Not with my right hand.
Not with your right hand.
My left hand, that's why I came in. My left hand was starting to get so much overuse that it was like starting to act up. I went like, I can't lose both thumbs.
Oh, wow.
So I haven't been doing anything with this right hand. And so like I could do all of this now, which I would never dare to have done that before. I could still, look at that. Touch.
Yeah, that's from the first treatment. Yeah.
And that deep aching pain that I've had for like 2 years. I don't have a deep aching pain.
Yeah.
I mean, I could still feel a little bit of residual of something, but that deep aching pain, I don't have any deep aching pain.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, and look at this.
Yeah. Time to show off.
After 2 years,
beautiful.
Amazing.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So, okay, today the second treatment. So, tell me what do you want me to work on today?
Okay, so what I did notice is as I was just kind of doing all this kind of stuff, I realized that I had not known before, I could touch the bottom of my fingers with my left hand, and I could bend this first crease.
The first joint there, and your thumb like this.
Right, so that guy could do that.
That's the left hand.
Yeah, that's my cute little left hand.
Okay.
And then this guy, he could touch here and he could touch here.
Okay.
He cannot go any further than this. I have tried and tried.
Okay.
And when I try to do this,
okay,
he will not do it, or she will not do it.
All right. So we need to work on this range of motion.
Yeah.
All right. Awesome. Okay. So we'll start working on it. Can you isolate the joint? She's not able. Yeah. She's not. She's just moving this, but not moving this joint. Okay. And that's for 2 years you have not been able to move.
I didn't know it.
Yeah,
because
well, the first treatment,
because there was so much pain going on down here.
This was actually like hard for you to even do this motion.
Yeah.
So this is the joint. But is it tender to touch, or it's
no? Now it's not so bad. It was more tougher when we had the.
That's the instrument. What about now?
Not now.
That's good. You're still maintaining the range of motion again from the first treatment.
I know. It's exciting.
Yeah, awesome.
And yesterday I just kept doing everything. I thought, let's just test her out.
Yeah.
And she just kept saying, okay. Yeah, she was real cooperative.
Yeah, that's good.
Yep.
That's our... Okay, let's move it. Try to wiggle this.
I'm trying.
This one, like this.
She does good when you do it. Let me try it now.
Try it now. Can you touch this area?
Well, look, I'm to my third finger. Let me try the fourth. And look, ow!
Okay, what happened here? Muscle spasm?
Something happened.
Okay.
But, so, I could go to the third, but I can't go to the fourth yet.
Where did you feel it?
I felt like in the trigger spot.
In here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that painful? It's okay.
It's okay.
More about that.
Yeah.
Turn it over and let's show us. Can you touch this?
Do that. You can do that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good. Look at that.
You get in here.
Couldn't
okay.
do that.
Okay.
And I'm down to the next. Okay, because remember, I went to there just a minute ago, and now I'm there.
You're going down. So you're bending. You see that? You're bending here.
Good. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, you're bending. Here
look
we go.
At that.
Let's lower this and bring this up. There you go. Let's move. You see the movement now? Start to moving. Yeah.
That's definitely more than she was doing.
We need more movement. This is not enough. Not too much?
No. Feels good.
Yeah, you're getting there.
Look at that.
I want you to do my favor. Do 10 this way, and then we'll try it again. Just go back and forth. Good. Okay. And then after that, we'll go down. Keep going down gradually. Good. Keep going. Good. Okay. Keep going. Keep going. Let's do this.
Oh,
just back and forth.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Let's do it 10 more. 10 more in front of the camera here. 10 more in the middle. The middle.
The first or the second one?
Just do this one and then do the second one.
Okay.
Just do 5 this way.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Go down and do 5. Just keep going back and forth. Don't think about it. Just don't think. Just do it. Do 10. And go a little bit lower and do 10. Fast. Fast. Don't think about it.
Well, you know why? It pulls on my thingy.
Okay. Okay. And relax. You get in there. Okay. And relax. Okay. Okay. One more time. Let's try to touch it. Beautiful. Look at that. Now she can touch it. Awesome. Beautiful. Now we get it there.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
You get it there. Can you see that? Can you see that? Beautiful. It's good. Just a few minutes. So what do you think?
It's like a miracle.
Yeah.
That's
awesome.
a miracle.
Yeah.
That is so cool.
Yeah. Yeah. You can touch that like the other one. Can you get both of them here?
So I can
look like twins here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Beautiful. Look at that. Before, and you know, if you can like go back to the video, she was having hard time even to get here, and today she was able to get here, but it's hard time to get here. Now she's able to get here.
Look at that, and she's staying.
Yeah,
she's not. Look at that.
Yeah, can you wiggle a little bit? Yeah, look at that, wiggling now. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. Good. Second treatment. Awesome. Yeah, what do you think?
It's a miracle.
Yeah, awesome. I'm glad you're doing better. Yeah, awesome.
That's crazy.
Yeah, thank you.
Good.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, now you can... thumb up. Awesome. You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.